Hello kids, I am Amita. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and safe. Today we are going to learn a new topic, a new subject that is about computer. In this lesson we are going to learn basics of computer. Let's see. See this picture. You might have familiar with this picture. In this picture, a monitor, mouse, a CPU and a keyboard is there. You might be using it in your daily life now in exams or in your classes, or you might have seen it in shops, schools, offices. So what is this? What is its name? Where it is originated? Who invented? What is the use of it? How it works? Let's solve all queries. So this is the picture called as computer or a system. Again, why its name is system? What is a system? When a group of components works together, we call them system. Here monitor, mouse, CPU, keyboard is a group of component that works together. That's why its name is system. So let's see what is a computer or a system. So the full form of computer is, as you can see on screen, commonly oriented machine particularly used for trade, education and research. Let's see the next slide. So where it is originated and what is the use of it? Let's solve it. It was developed by Charles Babbage in 19th century. It is used in the field of trade, education, research and where not. Every day, everywhere we are using it in our daily to daily life. So in an easy word, when we say what is a computer is a electronic device which accepts data as input from user from us, processes the data and gives us desired output. Actually in 19th century, Charles Babbage invented it for calculation. So compute means calculation. So the computer word derived from there. So let's say our next slide. Okay. So what is data? A data means it is a collection of basic facts and figures with any sequence. Means in simple word we can say we user whatever we write through keyboard is data. And what is process? Process is set of instruction given to the computer for output. It is already there in computer or we can say predefined in computer's mind. So how it works? See, it takes input from us, it processes the data and it gives us output. So there are so many major components that works in a computer. That is input unit, CPU, that is a central processing unit. It is the brain of computer or you can say it is the heart of computer. In CPU there are three subunits are working. They are ALU, CU, MU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit, CU control unit and MU is memory unit. So let's remember it in easy way. You can see this tiny picture in screen that is called CPU. So inside this CPU, this ALU, CU and MU works. What is ALU? ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Here, in this part of computer, arithmetic and logical operations happen. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. And logical means comparison, selection, merging, matching, etc. So what is control unit? Next. What is the role of control unit? Let's say an example. In our school, our principal manages everything, such as who will take our math class, which teacher will take science class, when annual function will happen, when sports day will happen. Similarly, in computer, control unit does the same thing. Control unit is manager of the computer. It controls transfer of data. It coordinates between input and output device. It tells the computer memory arithmetic logic unit, and input and output devices, how to respond to the instructions that have been sent to the processor. Now, what is memory unit? Let's say an example, human memory. Whatever happening, events, birthdays, anniversaries, where we generally stores. It stores in our memory. Similarly, memory unit does the same thing for computers. It stores data for computer. Whatever input, output, information, all thing it stores inside it. Or we can call it storage unit of computer. Memory unit is the storage unit of computer. See, this is the block diagram of computer. Means in this way computer works. Suppose we will write something through keyboard. It takes as input. Let's say we will calculate 5 plus 7. So we will write 5 plus 7 through our keyboard. It will take the instruction, then process it in CPU. In CPU, control unit will ask ALU that it is your work. Do addition. As we know, arithmetic logic unit is responsible for all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So in ALU, addition operation will happen. Then memory unit will store the input and answer, and the control unit will release the output and answer through the monitor. Keyboard, mouse, these all are input devices, and monitor, printer are output devices. In this way, operations happen in computer. Hope all things are clear. In my upcoming lessons, we are going to learn everything in details. What is memory unit, hardware, software, input, output, all things. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Happy learning kids. Bye bye.